Hello everyone, today in this video tutorial I will show you how you can download the hyperspectral data from USGS Earth Explorer. First of all, visit the USGS Earth Explorer website, search in the Google USGS Earth Explorer, open this first website. Okay, now let me log in this website first. I have already uploaded a video on how to register account. I will also provide the video the link of that video within the description of this video. Now you can sign in, or you can also create an account from here. You can go to the Juice Pro channel and you can find that video within the archives. Go to the playlist and here you can see GIS data downloads. Open this and here you can see that how to create USGS Earth Explorer account and download different data sets. So I have successfully logged into this website. Now let me change the imagery. How you can change this imagery? Go to this layer option and you can select the Esri word imagery, or you can also check all these other imageries like USA topographics, street map, light map, dark map, like this. I'll prefer the Esri. Okay, here if you have the file KMZ or shapefile, you can also come here and you can select KMZ as well as the shapefile, and you can then select and upload that. Or you can also use the geocoder. Geocoder means you can provide the coordinates here. So let me zoom into my area of interest for which I want to download the dataset. I need the dataset for this area. So I will click on this map. So I have selected 4 coordinates, 4 location. If you want to delete one of them, you can come here and you can delete this coordinate from here. So now let me again click here, so it will be added. Okay, now come to the cloud cover. For the cloud cover, I will reduce it to the 4 or 5. Okay, now once again go to the top and select the data set. Within the data set, I will select the EO-1. We have lot of data available: Landsat, land cover, radar, USA data sets, or lots of data are available. But for this specific tutorial, I will select the EO-1. Within the EO-1, we have EO-1 ALI and EO-1 Hyperion. This ALI sensor is actually the multispectral, but we need a hyperspectral imagery. So Hyperion is hyperspectral imagery, and we have in the Hyperion we have 220 bands, 220 bands with 10 nanometer up space. Okay, so I will select this one. Okay, and one thing more, you can also search actually the Hyperion satellite, the EO-1 satellite has been launched in 2000 and it has failed in the 2017. So we have the data we have from 2000 to 2017 for the Hyperion. Okay, and you can also select come here and you can select the date range as well. if you want to select the date, so you can select the date, but I have selected all the months and didn't select and specify the dates. Now within the dataset I have selected my dataset. Now come to the results. Within the results you will have this tiles in this format. The width of this tile is 7.5 kilometer. Okay, now let me select or show footprints. You can see like this, these are the footprints like this. How your area is covered, so you can see here like this. Okay, we have only these results for the Hyperion, so we don't have the results for all of our area. The other data is missing here. Okay, now for example, I need to download this only one tile. I will uncheck all the other and will download this one tile. Okay, now go to the download. Let me download this one just to show you how it look like. Okay, uncheck it. Okay, now go to the downloads, and here you can download the dataset. You can also download this in the HDF format, or you can also download within the UTF format. I think UTF format will be the best one, because from the HDF you have to extract the different bands, and within the UTF it will provide the band separately. So I will download it in the UTF format. Download it.